Give the heading as winds now. In simple words, winds are nothing but air in motion. Okay, air in motion. And winds always move from high pressure to low pressure. Yes, that you have to remember. Air in motion from high pressure to low pressure is called as wind. So all of you know, on the Earth's surface, some places receive very high insolation than the other. Wherever the insolation is very high, land heats up, air heats up, the hot air goes up in convection, causing low pressure here. See, there is low pressure here. On the other side, let's say here the insolation is less, temperatures are less. What happens when the temperature is less? Earth temperature, air is also cooler. When the air is cooler, what happens? Dense. Cold air is dense, high pressure. So on the Earth's surface, so there are certain places with high pressure, certain places with low pressure. This air is going up. In order to occupy this, air from high pressure starts moving like this. From high pressure to low pressure. This is called as wind. This is called as wind. Simple words. Okay. So what about this going up and down? These are called as air current. Whenever the air is moving vertical, up and down, they are called as air currents. Air currents. That is the difference. Vertical movement of air is called as current. Horizontal air motion is called as wind. Please understand the difference. This air current going up and down can cause turbulence. Turbulence in the planes. Let's say your plane is going like this. Suddenly the air comes. So that causes shivering of the plane. Again, shivering of the plane. So your pilot will say, please wear the seat belts. We are expecting turbulence. Turbulence is caused by vertical air currents. Okay. Turbulence is sudden vibration in the plane. So air currents initiate turbulence. Whereas horizontal motion from high pressure to low pressure is called as winds. Okay. Before going into the basics, first you will understand the wind speed. Speed of the wind is measured using anemometer. This is asked in some small exams. Police sub-inspector, excise sub-inspector exam, PDO, FDA, correct, those exams, your government exams they'll ask. Speed of the wind is measured using anemometer. Unit, kilometer per hour, miles per hour, or knot. This also was asked once. Knot mein K is silent. K is silent. They have asked. Knot is a unit for measuring which of the following. Like that they have asked. Sometimes the questions are very simple, and those simple basics you don't know also, you are not going to clear those exams, simple exams. Okay. Some exams questions are very easy. Only thing is your basics should be strong. At the basic level they will play. Okay. Wind speed. Then direction of the wind. Wind direction is measured using wind vane. Wind vane. Wind vane is an instrument that shows the wind direction, which direction the wind is blowing as of now. Okay, wind vane. I'll show you all this. Photo I'll show you. Wind vane, wind speed and all. Okay, these two should be first basics. Then Beaufort scale. Beaufort scale. It is named after Admiral Beaufort. So British Admiral. Who is Admiral? Admiral is the head of the Navy. Navy head is called as Admiral. Admiral Beaufort was in Royal Navy, British Navy. So during his tenure in Navy, he noticed wind speed and its impact. Wind speed and its impact. And he has created a scale called Beaufort scale or Beaufort chart. Beaufort scale or Beaufort chart. And this chart ranges from 0 to 12. 0 to 12. 0 means calm. He calls this as calm. No wind sometimes. Have you noticed? Even the leaves will not be moving. The trees leaves will not be moving. So you'll be able to completely calm condition. No wind at all. That is 0. Sometimes the wind speed is so high, it will uproot the tree. That is 12. Hurricane. He used the word hurricane for that. For the first time. Hurricane is a high speed wind. Hurricane is a high speed wind. 12. So Beaufort was a head of the Navy, British Navy, Admiral Beaufort, Royal Navy. So Beaufort's chart gives us wind speed and its impact. Wind speed and its impact. So they'll ask, which of the following scale is used to understand wind speed and its impact? Beaufort scale. Okay, let's see this first, then continue. All of you understood 0 to 12. Okay, all of you see this. I'm going to save this first. Better. No, it's not opening like that. Nah. See, there is no option for this. Open with. Let me check. 0 means calm. So they have started after 0, 1. They have started 1, 2, 3, so on. You can see a tree, okay, house and a flag. You can see. Okay, when the wind speed is slow, nothing will happen. Okay, notice this. You can see the house, chimney and all. You can see wind speed is increasing. Wind speed is increasing. You can see in miles per hour they were given. Slowly the wind speed is increasing. You can see here 47 to 54 miles per hour. You can see the tree is now uprooted, house, flag and all. Correct. Slowly the wind speed increases. Here. See here. Where is the house here? Tree is also not there. House is also not there. Flag is also not there. This 12 hurricane. 73 miles per hour speed mein what wind can do they are showing. So it created a simple chart. Wind speed and its impact. You can do one thing. 73 miles per hour converted into kilometer. 1 mile is 1.6 kilometers. What is 1 mile? 1.6 kilometers. So 73 into 1.6 you will do. You will get around 118 kilometer per hour. That is 118, 120 kilometer per hour is what the car speed we go on a highway. And I'm saying general speed hai, normally. At that speed wind can do this much damage. Imagine cyclone, the wind speed goes up to 200 km per hour. You can imagine what will wind do now. Anta. So you might have heard of this. Your parents telling you, fire, don't play with fire. Don't play with water. Add wind also to the list. Because wind can aggravate fire. It can spread fire from here to there within seconds. It can aggravate rain. It can aggravate waves, sea waves. Wind is so dangerous. As a result, wind scale, Beaufort scale they'll ask. Beaufort scale shows wind speed and its impact.